So we made it to the Great Sand Dunes. This is out of this world. Yeah, it's just about 4 miles down the road farther from our last little hiking trail that we went to, the Spotted Falls Trail. And I mean, these dunes are just so massive. Yeah. And then you got right behind the dunes, all these mountains.
I have no feet, Dad.
Still got snow on them even. So the Great Sand Dunes in Colorado, in southern Colorado. Yeah, it's the largest sand dunes in the United States. They're pretty big. I don't know how much sand's out here, but I mean, it just seems to go on and on.
Hello.
Right, Jack?
Yeah.
It is.
This is going to be a slide.
Yeah. You can sandboard and sled down these. I don't know how you do it, because I mean, they're so massive and high. I don't know how you'd climb up them without dying.
Sit down and just slide.
It's pretty impressive. Us boys from Illinois, we've never seen anything quite like this. Pretty impressive. We've never seen anything like this in Florida either. Not that kind of sand.
I made my first dirt though.
The only downside to the
and you don't get to bring drones.
yeah, you can't use your drones out here, which sucks, because I could get some crazy cool footage of the dunes with a drone. But
guess what? I'm not going to be waiting so long. I'm just going to slide down the mountain thing, whatever it is, like a
the dunes.
place. And it's very fun to do that. Instead
Not
of
yet.
just grabbing your sled. And
Let's get up to one of these dunes and I'll let you.
that's sweet.
Yeah, so the Great Sand Dunes in Colorado. They are the largest dunes in the entire country. I don't know how many millions and millions of tons of sand that are out here, but it all collected in the Sangre de Cristo mountain range. I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, kids are having a blast playing around in the sand. It's pretty cool. Nice cool day out. I mean, we're so high up. I think we're probably at like 7,000 or 8,000 feet above sea level. But I mean, you can see like the clouds rolling over the dunes and stuff. It's real pretty and cool out here. It's got a fee of $25 a day per vehicle. Actually, it's a 7-day pass. $25 per vehicle, non-commercial, and it gets you in here for 7 days. There's also a stream that cuts through the dunes that you can wade in and play in the water and stuff. And you can also rent boards. Yeah, you can.